Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, what you got, man?
I've got a new favorite phrase.
Get the bleep out, everybody. Get the.
No.
It's not like that.
None
Okay,
of that, not like that.
All right. Okay.
All right.
What you got?
So hunger is the best sauce.
Hunger is the best sauce.
Yeah. Have you heard this one? Okay. I picked it up from the book, The Comfort Crisis.
I was thinking you picked it up from your son.
Now, you've heard me talking Comfort Crisis because I've been a broken record on that book.
Yes, you have.
All right. So hunger is the best sauce. We went to NASCC.
Yes.
So we're at the Steel Conference, and unfortunately, you weren't able to go to dinner with us, but it had been quite a time between us eating and us eating dinner.
Yeah.
So by the time Jeremiah and I were ready to eat dinner,
You were ready.
we were ready to eat, and we had a nice steak that night.
Yeah.
Dude, it was exquisite. It's funny.
Texas steak is freaking awesome. They got some good food out there, dude. They just do.
Yes. But I'm not going to say that we got some sort of high-end steak. Like,
okay, fair.
This was good steak.
Yeah.
It just tasted way better because we were really hungry. And it's funny, like, when you go without something for a while, it tends to make you appreciate it more. And so on the food front, like if you fasted for a little while and then you come back and you eat food, you can start smelling things. Like you all of a sudden you start smelling like bread.
Yeah.
You're going, oh man, that smells so good. Like your senses are heightened because you are ready to eat.
Yeah.
It's amazing how having to do without something can really make you appreciate it when it returns. Mm-hmm. And there's a bunch of ways that you can kind of make this a practice in life.
Yeah.
But hunger's the best sauce. And I think that, if you're going through maybe a little bit of a dry spell, that's okay. Maybe that's just creating a little bit of hunger in your life that you're going to really appreciate the food when it comes back.
Yeah.
If you're picking up what I'm laying down.
Oh, I'm picking up what you're laying down. Everybody, the past 2 weeks, Eddie has just been picking on me in 5 Minute Friday. This is due to some traumatic crap happening in my own life that I won't go into here because
we're not.
I don't have the freaking time.
Yeah.
Let me just say my dog died. That sucks. And that's not even the worst of it. Anyway, so, okay. Eddie, why are you picking on me? Yeah, but seriously.
I'm not picking on you, man. I'm just trying to build you up. And I know that you're not the only one that's going through it. You're not the only one that's going through it right now.
I know. I'm very hungry.
For you.
For the record. I'm
for
very
you and for others out there that are having to wait, right? Hey, hunger's the best sauce. When the food comes back, you can really
hunger's the best sauce.
You can have a good meal.
I remind myself of that one. Okay, well, all right, guys. Well, if you're like me, you're just still hungry. So go try to eat something and build something awesome.